Hello everybody. I hope you're all safe and well wherever you are. Some of us are quarantined here on Havelock Island in the lovely Dive India property. Now if you're looking for something to do during the lockdown, I would advise against trying to cut your own hair and highly recommend going out and getting to know some of the life forms that share your home with you. One of my personal favorites are jumping spiders. One thing that makes them special, among many other things, is, well, they're found on top of the Himalayas, they're found here on this tropical island, and they probably hang out in your kitchen as well. So let's go find some jumping spiders and get to know them. And we found our first little jumping spider for the day. This one's rather special. It is a tiny little jumping spider that mimics ants. Now, one out of two ways to quickly distinguish whether this is a jumping spider is to look for those big puppy dog eyes that jumping spiders have, with which they tend to look at you when you're moving around. And well, they have 4 pairs of legs instead of the 3 that ants have. Interestingly enough, they lift their front 2 pairs of legs up like that and make them look like antennae, and then look like they're standing on only 3 pairs of legs, which is rather clever. So here's another spider we've been seeing for a couple of days now. I did manage to get some footage of him yesterday while he was slowly moving his pedipalps around. Now, spiders have 2 appendages in front of their face, just below their eyes, that are called pedipalps. Now when they're doing that, they're effectively picking up chemicals from the air and understanding the world around them. This is very similar to when you or I would raise our heads and flare our nostrils when there's a nice plate of biryani being cooked in the house. Now, you may not always have a macro lens on hand, or you may have my kind of luck where something incredible is happening and your camera is nowhere to be found. In times like those, you'd be surprised what a cell phone can do. When I saw a Cosmo Faces spider, which is a really colorful, beautiful spider, interacting with some ants here, all I had was my cell phone camera and it did quite well. So if through this video your interest in spiders has been piqued, I'd encourage you to go out there, look for more spiders, put them up online, ask questions, and yeah, I hope a spider changes your life like it did mine.